So guys, welcome back to the channel, touching down from the glorious sunshine of Chiang Mai City, northern Thailand. Any guesses where we are? Any guesses what's behind us? Any guesses what this vlog's going to be about? I think the titles give that away already, don't you? So today we're going to look at another condo building. So we are across the road from our little spot, the Arsh Boutique, the Amiri and the Al Man. And just over here you've got the Ping condo, I think, that's been there for a long time. And next door, this place has just opened not too long ago, and we're gonna go and have a look at this place. So I came down here yesterday, I walked in and I said, can I come and have a look tomorrow? They said yep, that's okay. I didn't mention the camera, but I'm sure that's going to be okay because it's all promotion, right? It's all promotion. And yeah, I think I like this area, don't you? This is the fourth place we've done now. There's the Al Man, all set up. It's not brand new anymore. Got a coffee shop and a bakery out the front. But no, we're going this side today. We're going to look in this one. So this is quite a well-known place as well. I think it's called Ping, right? I forget the name of this one. The centerpiece, yeah, I don't know, but a lot of people have stayed here in the past. What's he called? Vegetable Police used to stay here, the vlogger. Don't know if anybody used to watch the Vegetable Police. Yeah, Ping, the Ping condominium. But we're not going there. I'm not sure if I've ever had a look in there. I think I did. This one over here is brand new. And it's called Plus. I think it's called Ping. It's still Ping, but Ping Plus is it. And when I first come here, remember, many moons ago, they said these were not for rent, only for purchase. But I went in again yesterday and they said they can do a 1-year contract. So we're going to have a look at that in a minute. But what I didn't know about this place is, look what they've done and look what it's right next to. It is the famous, the new tourist attraction, the canal walk. So you can have a stroll down the new canal. Just 1 minute. We'll go and I'll just show you the route. So there's the new Plus building. And you just walk through here, look. And you got the Mai Ka Canal. I didn't know you could get through here till yesterday. I was walking along the canal here. And yeah, I seen this bit open. So yeah, it gave me the idea to come back today and have a look at that place. So 1 minute from the condo, you're at the canal. And you can get coffee down here. You can go and get a coffee from your place, have a wander down the canal, get a coffee, get a bite to eat, or even better at night time, you could come and have a stroll. It's not far at all, is it? I'm not sure what they will do in here. Maybe they will start building in here, but they got, I don't know if this is banana trees or what. So I don't think this will be built on. They'll be growing stuff here, I think. Right, let's go and have a look at this condo, see if they'll let us film it. They should do. It's all good for them, right? So I think, Swadee Kap, how are you? Good.
May I help you?
I'm going to look at this place.
My place.
Oh, your place? Yeah, going to look. Yesterday I come to ask to look. Show many people.
Oh,
is okay?
Okay, I have sale office over there.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you.
So that was the owner. I didn't see him yesterday. So it don't look like too many people are in here now. And I can see a gym, which is always good. You can see a little gym there. I've not got much in there at the minute, but they got a bike and a running machine. I'm sure they will add more. So I'll just show you the reception. Ping Plus. So it is the same as next door, but this is the brand new one. What else they got here? There's another office in there. This is it. Ping Plus condominium. I'm expecting it to be quite a nice place. It's brand new and it's in a nice area with the canal right next door. We've got fitness, security, key card, CCTV, and yeah, it looks like they've got a few layouts of the room. We've got a deluxe type, 45 square metre, and a studio type, 30 square metre. So they've got 2 rooms. So there they are. Wow, they look nice. So this chap is going to give us a look around. Got the fingerprint jobby as well. Fingerprint, that's the new thing that they're all doing now, eh? So what's your name?
What?
What?
Yes.
Okay. What is going to show me around? So we're on the 4th floor. And nice wide hallways too. I like that. Nice and wide. So is this the smaller room?
Not yet.
Okay.
Okay.
Are you sure?
Yes.
This is the smaller room?
Yes.
Okay, so this is the smallest one, guys. That's nice as well, right? Nice.
I have a television for you inside.
Television.
We can open.
Just have a look. So you got the other ping building next door, but there's nobody looking at you.
Yeah.
It's just the side of the wall, which is good. I like this. You've got a little table. Look. Have a look at the balcony.
This one.
So this one, yeah. Okay, thank you.
Okay.
So this is good.
Yeah.
Small balcony. And yeah, you're overlooking where the market used to be, and you got the famous canal there. Yeah. And there's the Almere and the Arch over there that I went to look at before. So this is a good area, because down here is just a car park. And I think there's a restaurant down here. So yeah, you haven't got a kitchen, but your kitchen's inside. So I'll show you that now. And the bed, very nice. That's a little bit hard, this one, but it's okay. Just shut that.
This is the bedroom.
Okay, yeah, have a look at the bathroom. Nice big wardrobes as well. And it's all good. Good quality, it looks. Okay, thank you. Nice divider. Proper closed shower. You know how much I love that. That's nice, isn't it? Yeah, I like that. Nice toilet. So has people stayed in here before?
Not.
Nobody stayed here?
You take your grand opening this room.
Right.
Not anyone.
I really like it. Bathroom's amazing. With the closed shower.
The price, this one is 7,500 baht per month.
7,500?
Yes. And contract for 1 year.
Okay, you don't do 6 months?
Maybe 6 months and it's okay.
7,500. That's good. I like it.
Yes. Now today, if you like it, you booking to 1 month and on the day you move in,
Yeah.
you pay 2 months for guarantee.
Right.
Yes.
Oh,
Contract
you mean
for 6
deposit? Deposit,
Yes.
yeah. So you get a fridge,
This is a new one.
new fridge, and you would put a TV in here, you
Yes.
said?
TV is maybe tomorrow.
I like it. And the small kitchen area you have here. And the microwave. Get the microwave
yes,
too?
Yes, this one microwave.
Okay.
Okay.
Lots
Just
of
moment,
cupboard
please.
space.
Yeah.
Okay.
ฮัลโหลครับพี่จิ๊บครับ
7,500.
เดี๋ยวลุงตามให้
I like this place.
ตอนเย็น
I'm already liking it. It's brand
ได้
new.
ได้ครับผม
And it's nice. Ah, this is probably the best one I've liked. And this is the smallest room yet.
Okay.
So can I have a look at the bigger room?
Bigger room might not have for 6 months.
Right, you have for 1 year.
Yes.
But I can still have a look?
Okay, I go down to take a.
Okay, sorry, I would like to look at it, yeah.
Yeah. I have for 12,000.
12,000 for the big room?
Yes.
The bigger rooms are on the bottom floors?
No.
Okay.
It's the fifth floor and
Fifth
sixth
floor.
floor.
Right, at the top. Right, so we're going to have a look at the big room in a minute, but this is the gym, guys. I remember coming in here before it was built, and they've just got a few things, but look how big it is. They're obviously gonna expand it, right? Put loads of weights in here and stuff. So that's gonna be cool. You got your parking outside, and at least you could have a small workout in here. And it's massive. So does many people live in these big ones here?
Yes, maybe it's 20 more
20,
room. Yes.
20 more room.
Yeah.
Right, so this is the bigger one.
Yes. It's so nice.
502. Yeah, I'm expecting this one to be really nice. Okay. I like it already. I like it already. Proper apartment.
Yeah.
That's nice, right? Yeah, that's nice. Proper little apartment. You got your table here, look. And your place to sit. And your kitchen area.
Yes. And the bathroom and bedroom.
Okay. So got your bathroom. It's the same. Nice shower again. Closed shower.
This not anyone.
No one's been in
Yes.
here too. Okay. So no one's lived in here either. This is all brand new. Nice sized kitchen, and we'll look at the bathroom and bedroom. Ah, this is nice. Yeah, this is really nice. I can just put the light on.
Yeah.
Thank you. Yeah. Yeah, it's not bad, eh? It's not a bad gaff. Yeah, really nice. So this one is a corner one again.
So big.
Yeah, it's big balcony, yeah.
Yeah.
Nice. And there's a door. Oh, that's the door that goes into the living area.
Yes.
Ah, that's a good idea. I like that. So yeah, you're on the end again. Right next to the famous canal. And the mini Big C, 7-Eleven. Got the Almiri and Arch there. Yeah, so you can walk right through back into your living area. So this one you said is 12,000.
Yes, and contract for just 1 year.
It's not bad at all, is it? Nice big apartment. I'm keen on the smaller one. I would like this one, but yeah, I like it. Sorry, I closed the door.
Yeah.
Yeah. Should get the mosquitoes.
Okay.
Yeah, I like both of them. Really nice.
Yeah.
Really
I think
nice.
so.
Yeah, really nice place. So you get the fridge again, guys. You get the TV.
TV, I have one TV in
Yeah.
that inside.
I'll have one for the bedroom too.
Yes.
So you'd get 2 TVs.
Yes, 2 TV.
Nice door. You have a key. It's a key
Yeah.
door, is it? Oh yeah, proper key. So the same owner owns both buildings, right? Same owner. Okay. And you will be adding more to the fitness?
Yes.
More thing, 'cause it's a big room, right?
Yeah.
Big room.
Yeah.
Okay.
More is more.
Okay. And the electric and the water here.
Electric is Thai people unit.
Government rate.
Yes. Yeah.
And the water?
Water is 35 per unit.
35 baht a unit for
Yeah.
the water. Okay. And government rate for the electric.
Yeah.
Thank you for your time.
Yes, and you can give your contact for me on.
Yeah, so what are we thinking, guys? I really liked it. I'm not just saying that. I'll probably like that more than the Almiri and the Al Man across the road. 7,500. I was expecting it to be a little bit more than that. And it was these end ones. I love me an end room. Right on the end here, look, in the shade. See, there's the bigger ones up the top with a bigger balcony, and these three, the smaller ones. I looked that third one up, I think. Oh, I could see me on that end one. And yeah, the Wi-Fi, guys, there's no Wi-Fi. That is a bit of a killer, but it's not the end of the world. You can get your own Wi-Fi fitted. Pretty simple, and you know it's going to be blazing fast if you get your own fitted. But it's always nice to have free Wi-Fi, right? So that's a little bit of a downer, but it's not the end of the world. I'm going to be honest, I would say this one is better than the three over the road. That's, you know, I don't want to be, they're all got their own pluses and minuses, but for me, out of the three, the room was the best at the Ping Plus. That's just my honest opinion. And yeah, there's nobody looking over you there either. But that's not to say these three wasn't good. They're really nice places. And they've all got their own. The Al Man was nice. Hey, they've changed the name. They've took an A out the name. They did spell it with two A's, didn't they? They've changed it. They've shortened it. Shortened it just to Al Man. Take it easy, man. Yeah, you got the mini big C here, look. And the 7-Eleven. I'm not sure what this was. It's a bike repair shop. No, this is just a little restaurant or something, yeah. Yeah, so it was just a small vlog. I'm glad I've done that place now. I'm gonna go and get some food anyway and get a nice cup of tea. Shops into downtown Central Plaza, Airport Plaza. Bobby Dazzler, man, Bobby Dazzler. I'm gonna stop waffling. I'm going to get some grub. That's got me thinking now. That's, yeah, I liked it. I like the small room. So if anybody does move in there, you might end up having me as a neighbour. We shall see. I've got the contact card. I'm going to put all the info down below. So if any of you's interested, I'm sure a lot of you are going to be interested in this. I'm going to stop waffling and I'm going to check out from the absolutely roasting Chiang Mai City Ping Plus. Definitely a winner, baby. Definitely a winner. Take it easy, man. Take it easy.